like you can't bump it.
Missile.
Unless missiles.
Yeah.
And then
as people speculating that the tunnel correct galam CS man and me marafam and the tartar be no marafa kuto gbali and then all missile
marafam kuto gbali. And then one thing, as far as craftsman has lost communication with the radio controller. Understandable. In science man or in gadget, immediately something has lost control, which means it has been forged.
Yeah.
The any sensitive so that's a sensitive nature or sensitive move that will allow it to make contact with somebody.
Okay.
Understandable.
Yeah.
Mostly when they say that radio control has lost communication, Ghana has one of the most highest and the most transparent radio controller in West Africa.
Oh wow.
If you are in Accra at our airport base, and then a craft or a flight has fly in Abuja about 600 or 6,000 miles or kilometers, you in Accra with the radio controller can detect it or will see it.
Wow.
Understandable. So there's unless maybe something unusual happen, there's no way the radio controller will miss communication with that craft, because looking at the distance, did it lose communication with the craft man? Command first of all, in the yellow command, the craft man did listen from Accra, the Chandi, did lose communication, and then there was something wrong with the craft. How the lubu first lubu man, quarter bodies man kadien lu, command kadien lu.
Did it do swelling?
Did it do swelling?
Oh, okay.
Command benti information command below so communication 30 minutes man. Did it do swelling? The water bodies man craft man did in look. Forest.
So what do you think could have been, the cause of it?
Very good. You see, mostly there are certain things when you say, people will ask you that you are not an expert.
Yeah.
And one thing about Africans want you to have a kind of accolades before when you say it, they will believe you.
Yeah.
Or maybe when you are like this, our normal daily life. If you are going to talk to someone, I used to was when you are now finding
yeah.
Understandable.
Bamba me no wazo so come to wazo pa ade ako ye to artist de ye to bia go ma wazo
pompo nyine ko chan shukuru biala kanu to kar pia shan biane anto ko ve because one during yala kamam craftman the loose communication and then the immediate and the necessary precaution was able to follow tiye yi na undama tiye na undama
kaizan negligent
ma mbezam patumani kanye kama du kulusu communication ma radio controller ma you've given information that the craft has lost communication, so the emergency craft will follow, and we have one and then we have another big aircraft that should have follow. So that very Wednesday ma that very Wednesday it were to be in Europe or America or somewhere else,
so now Congo tuma
so niru pam.
Okay,
look, when the chief officer was giving the announcement as to how the thing happened, we had certain army generals seated there. Didn't you be America, but now pushing the money, they will be on grass or on their feet
to find out,
figure out what happened, what went wrong, what did happen.
Yeah,
you see, but up to date. So
even high school nakuto brosse the cause of it. I shall brosse akaba me pihele because shabe na to no kare galam CS man member fa don't that one
anya
disputed
anya la to amaya when they said that anya novun so